We bought a racetrack. This place was built on a dream, but where one journey ends, a new one begins. Follow along as we try to turn this property back into something special. Alright, I gotta hunt down another hose. I'm a little bit short and there's no O-ring on that hose, so that'll leak. I feel like I saw another one over here, so I'm gonna go check it out. If not, I got a whole bunch of O-rings at home. Looky there. Another 100-foot hose, so I'll get that out. Probably just run home, get a couple O-rings versus having water leak all over the place. Man, I tell you what, I can't buy a bucket. Yesterday was the water heater, the boiler. Today blew a tire with a full load of dirt. Now I'm out here. Granted, I haven't run this power wash for a long time. It ran fine, got a whole Conex box clean on the second one, and it stops running. It'll only run the choke on, which basically means that the jets are dirty or plugged or something. And luckily, I had a electric power washer sent to me by GiRAFFE Tools, so I'm gonna give that a whirl. I'm gonna get it out here. Bright side about the power washer, the electric one, is it'll be quiet, and it's brand new in the box, so let's go. This thing's supposed to be super quiet. I'm gonna find out. That should be up.
What?
I said get a lot closer. Man, that's quiet. Dang, that's quiet. All right, guys, I got this GiRAFFE electric power washer set up. I had a gas one, and it stopped working on me. And it just so happened that GiRAFFE had contacted me a few weeks ago and said, hey, we want to send you this electric, ultra quiet power washer for you to try out. And it showed up today, so I'm like, perfect timing. And dang, is it quiet. Like with the gas one, I had earmuffs on, and this is so quiet. So we are back up and running, so I'm super pumped. This pressure washer was designed to be ultra quiet, so it's perfect for neighborhoods. It's perfect if you just don't want to listen to a gas power washer. We just bought a house in town to live in while we build out here at the new property, so I'll probably hook it up in the garage. It comes with a bracket that you can hang it on the wall, so I'll probably do that. That way I can wash my cars and stuff in the driveway. It's got a 50-foot retractable hose that is built into this little thing. It's got a couple different heads. It's got, I believe it's 40 degree, 25 degree, 15 degree, and then it's got an oscillating head. It's got a soaping dispenser. It's 1650 PSI, and we got the 15 degree head on it right now, and I'm super impressed. It peels these stickers right off, which to be honest with you, I was like, well, I don't think it's going to take these stickers off, and I'm not taking them all off, but I just tested it out and it peeled them right off. So I'm actually kind of impressed with that. We're going to run it here. We have 3 more Conex boxes to clean, and this is what I have to work with, and so far it is working awesome. And then I'm definitely have some ATVs and stuff at home that I need to clean up, so we'll use it on that as well. All right, we are done for the day. I think I can finish this up tomorrow. I'll tell you what, that's nice. I'm definitely getting the cart. The cart would make this thing unbelievable. I mean, it's already unbelievable. All right, well, I'm super impressed. I didn't get everything done, but all the roofs are done. I just have the 2/3 of the roof on that one to do, and then all 4 sides of that one, all 4 sides of this one, and then a couple of the sides of that one. So we'll try to finish that up tomorrow, and then I can paint them Friday if it doesn't rain. Headed out to try and paint at least the inside of these Conex boxes. The weather is not looking good the next week. It's really cloudy right now. We're supposed to get rain tonight. So I'm going to get the inside done, and then I'm going to evaluate the situation. And maybe I'll go ahead and try to paint the outside. It's 12:30. Probably going to take me longer to get set up than really get going. And then when I got to switch colors, obviously, that'll take me a little time. So all right, I got my water ran, got my electric ran, got all the doors open. Just got to get the blower, blow everything out on the inside, dust, stuff like that. And I get the paint sprayer set up and get going. For the inside, I'm definitely going to be wearing a suit and a hood because I will get covered. But let's go blow these things out. This is my luck. You can probably see the paint splatter all over my face. Get everything set up, which all of you know, the paint, I hate painting. I hate it. It takes forever to set up. It actually doesn't take that long to do the actual painting, but I go to spray, pull the trigger, and everything blasts past the tip. So I do start my investigation process, and I find out that the little rubber seal and this piece actually right here was missing off my gun. So the last time I used it, it must have fell out and I didn't notice it. Well, I'm 45 minutes from any place that would possibly have one of these, but my neighbor has some rentals, and so I called him and I said, hey, do you have a Graco sprayer? And he did. So literally he saved me about 3 hours of time. Guys, I put that part in there and we are up and running. So I'm going to get my suit on and then we're going to rock and roll. It is 2:03, so we're going to see how fast I can paint one of these. This is going to be hot in this. Of course, the sun's going to come out now that I'm going to do this. go. All right, I started at 203 and it is 214. So it does not take long to paint. It takes forever to set up. Now I gotta move, which is gonna take longer than it took me to paint this. All right, guys, so pressure washing these Conex boxes took me probably about a half a day. As far as painting, the setup and cleanup was by far the longest part of the process. It took me between 10 and 12 minutes to paint the inside of one of the Conex boxes and about 15 minutes for the outside of one of the Conex boxes. So honestly, overall, it wasn't that much extra time to go ahead and power wash these, paint these. They look a lot better. The inside's gonna be a lot brighter, and they aren't gonna look like an eyesore when people drive in or see them from roads. All right, I'm at the house. Got the power washer hooked up, and I got all kinds of things to clean. Got my skid steer, it's pretty dirty right now. Got a couple four-wheelers that need to be cleaned. The mower needs to be cleaned, so we're gonna try it out on these things. And I'm gonna use the soap dispenser as well and see how that works, but we're gonna get after it. Awesome thing is, I don't have to wear earmuffs because it's so quiet. All right, guys, as far as the pressure washer goes, the ultra quiet GiRAFFE Tools electric power washer, I was super impressed. So impressed that I'm going to replace my gas powered pressure washer that broke down on me with this one. I'll fix it, sell it. This one is more compact, it's quieter, it's got a retractable hose. It's rated at 1650 PSI, but it seems and operates like it's much higher than that, especially with that oscillating wand that they have for it. It's rated for 1,000 hours of use, So if you do the math on that, if it took you an hour to wash a vehicle, you could wash 1,000 vehicles with it. That's the lifespan of it. I'm definitely going to get the cart because that will make it even that much more maneuverable. It's easy enough to load in the back of a truck, take it somewhere. But I would say one of the most valuable things to me about it was how quiet it was. When they sent me the information on it, they said, hey, this thing is super, super quiet. You know, I didn't think a lot about it, but once I started using it compared to the gas one, it is substantial. I mean, you don't have to wear earmuffs or anything. You can have a conversation with somebody as you're using it. If you guys are interested in this power washer, there will be a $50 off coupon code that GiRAFFE gave me. It'll be in the description. Check it out. But as always, we appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and don't stop dreaming.